When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare tamarind chutney. This tamarind chutney we use in street foods like pani puri, dahi puri, kachori, etc. This tamarind chutney tastes sweet and sour and tastes delicious. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take one kadai, add 100 grams of soaked tamarind. Into this, add water. Into this, add 1.5 cup of sugar. Add red chili powder, dry ginger powder, salt. Add black salt, fennel seed powder, jeera powder. Combine everything. Cover with lid and cook it for half an hour under low flame. After 30 minutes, remove the lid, give a quick mix. Once this tamarind chutney was transparent, switch off the flame and transfer this chutney into a tight container. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In the same time, follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I gave the link in the description. In next episode, I am going to prepare dal with yellow cucumber in restaurant style. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.